The Asura Mahisha was unleashing terror across the three worlds. Empowered by a boon from Brahmaji himself that he could only be killed by a woman, he believed himself to be practically immortal. Arrogant and overconfident, he mocked the very idea that a woman could ever defeat him. In their desperation, the Devas approached the Holy Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, seeking a way to end Mahishasura's tyranny. From the combined divine energies of these gods and from all the other Devas, a blinding radiance emerged, and these rays of light merged into one supreme form, the Devi, created with the sole purpose of destroying Mahishasura. Each deity then offered their most powerful weapons to her. Shiva gave her his Trishul, Vishnu his Chakra, Indra his Vajra, arming her to face the greatest of demons. At the same time on earth, Rishi Katyayana was immersed in intense tapasya, praying with the single desire that the Divine Mother be born to him as his daughter. Moved by his devotion, the Devi granted his wish and appeared as his child. From that day, she became known as Katyayani. One day, while Ma Katyayani was meditating in the forest of Vindhyachal, the attendants of Mahishasura saw her. Struck by her radiance and beauty, they approached her with a message. Their lord Mahishasura wished to marry her. The Devi laughed and mocked this request of Mahishasura. When Mahishasura heard this, he was enraged, insulted, and furious. He sent his generals and vast armies to subdue her. But the Devi crushed them effortlessly. Furious, Mahishasura himself took to the battlefield to destroy her. What followed was an epic battle that raged on for 10 days. Mahishasura used his ability to shapeshift, taking on various terrifying forms. But each time, Devi Katyayani defeated him. Finally, he took the form of a powerful buffalo Asura. On the 10th day, now celebrated as Vijayadashami, the Asura tried to transform yet again between his buffalo and human forms. At that precise moment, the Devi struck. She pinned him down with her foot and with one swift motion beheaded him, putting an end to his reign of terror. Thus she came to be known and worshipped as Mahishasura Mardini, the slayer of Mahishasura. On the 6th day of Navratri, we pray to Ma Katyayani. Her victory reminds us that no matter how powerful our inner demons may be, with devotion, strength, and perseverance, the light of the divine feminine can and will prevail.